Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm on my way to check out a 2005 Mercury, that's Grand Marquis. Right now someone is trying to hold up traffic as you see, but luckily it is still flowing. Okay, so here we have it. I don't have the key to the vehicle just yet, so we're going to go ahead and just take a look at the exterior. As you see, it has been sitting for a while due to all the, whatever you want to call it, tree sap or whatever. Now this is a fully loaded edition, so you see it has the chrome wheels, nice chrome trim going down by the doors. It is a half, what do you want to call it, rag top. You see the suspension is out, has leather interior. You have the wood on the steering wheel, that's the real deal. Has a digital dash, so it's definitely a fully loaded one. This roof will definitely need some work. Now I'm checking this car out. This may be the next project. Won't you guys let me know what you think. Said I didn't want to go back to a Panther platform, but I may. So this is what we have for maybe the next project. Definitely will need some cleaning. Tires are flat. So that is the Mercury. Let me know what you guys think about it. It looks like it may definitely need some cleaning. Maintenance wise, once I get the key, I'll see if it'll start. See if anything else that went out. That one does have, like I said, the air suspension on the back. So depending on how long it's been squished down, I don't know, might have to take and get the bags serviced or get them replaced. If I replace them, that'll be with the go back with the springs on there because the bags are too expensive. But other than that, that's the car for today. I'm finna get ready to start on this van again. After 2,000 miles, the check engine light came back on, so I got it plugged up again and still says a vacuum leak. So today I'll be hunting down a vacuum leak. Wish I had a smoke machine to take care of the problem. And of course there are other ways to get it done, like using some type of like a spray, like brake cleaner or starter fluid, but I don't want to run the risk of setting anything on fire, so I'm just going to use my flashlight and go from there. Now if I just get tired, and I may try one of those chemicals. For now, working on today. Only thing about a van, they are definitely difficult to access stuff. You just don't have that much space, especially working from the front of the van. So that's what I'll be doing today. Trying to find that leak. So I have the doghouse off, so I can see up in here. So what I can see, the light definitely needs some light. Now this is the hose that the light is shining on. I didn't get the exact hose. Well, if you've seen the other video, this was super flat and cracked, so that wasn't any help. Then I see we have the EGR valve right there, the big circle piece. Definitely need to check that out. Look like it's gonna be a pain to get off. Yeah. Yep, that is what I'm doing today. I don't know. Doesn't sound bad. Not sure. I know we have a vacuum leak somewhere. Now what the van is doing, it drives good through the city, but once you put it on the interstate and drive for maybe, I don't know, like 30, 45 minutes, it starts to get sluggish. just starts getting sluggish. It still runs smooth for the most part, but like if you're going up a hill or anything, it starts to yeah, like it's like you don't have any power. It'll, yeah, and sometimes the RPM it'll jump up, but it still runs like it's, you know, a lack of power. So fun stuff to work on. This is right here. I had them plug it up. Show you guys what it said. Here we go. Oh, AutoZone. Got it plugged up in Georgia, so you can tell I'll be riding. We had the, what's that, evap canister cracked or something like that. Maybe a purge or vent solenoid defect, vacuum leak. So we're going to start with the vacuum leak first. I'm going to check all the hoses again. It's definitely not a loose fuel cap because that is brand new, and that is something hard to get off at some time. So I know that's not it. And then I'm going to start with the evap canister. I have never took a look at the evap canister, so hey, maybe the problem is there. I don't know, but something is causing it to run like it has no power. We're going through the city. Ride's great. So, also going to have to take this doghouse piece off, and access the engine from this side again. Well, on that, I'll be working on that. I'll probably film it a little bit, and I will see you guys on the next video.